Hello! So, alam ko medyo matagal na since yung last upload ko, pero I wanted to make this quick video para magbigay lang ng friendly and yet professional advice, especially to those who will be receiving their 13th month, Christmas bonus, 14th, 15th, 16th month, kung ilang buwan pa yan, or gifts para sa mga students natin, so that you will know what you must do first, no, as you receive this blessing this Christmas season. So let's get to it. Lahat ng pera na matatanggap mo this Christmas season, blessing yan sa'yo ni Lord. Pero hindi dahil blessing yan, gagastosin mo na yan lahat, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Since na-mention ko na hindi siya parte ng regular income and expense cycle mo, kasi papasok lang talaga siya, it means kung nabubuhay ka with your income in the past months nang hindi ka na kinukulang, na fulfill mo yung mga responsibilities mo, na babayaran mo yung expenses mo, ibig sabihin, pwedeng hindi mo galawin yung 13th month or yung bonus. Therefore, you must put it into good use kung ano man yung matatanggap mo. Let's discuss very quickly what are the 5 things na pwede mong gawin or paggamitan ng matatanggap mong blessing this Christmas season. Number 1, I am a Christian. So, I am a believer of tithing. Yung tithing, for those of you who don't know it yet, it's just giving 10% of whatever increase that you receive to the Lord. So, for example, meron akong nabigyan ako ng 1,000, I will be tithing 100 pesos. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. My first advice is for you to tithe on whatever you receive and give an offering to the Lord. Kasi lahat ng blessings na natatanggap natin is from God, di ba? Give back to God what belongs to Him and give Him a gift as well this Christmas. Birthday ni Jesus, di ba? Yun nga yung sineselebrate natin pag Pasko. Number 2, pay off a huge chunk of debt kung meron kang mga utang. Regaluhan mo yung sarili mo this Christmas ng peace of mind na nabawasan na or nabayaran mo na yung mga utang mo, di ba? Number 3, magtabi ka for your emergency fund. Kasi kahit tayo nag-holidays, punta Baguio, punta Tagaytay, punta ibang bansa, yung emergencies, hindi yan nag-holiday. Kung hindi mo pa napupuno yung emergency fund mo, magdagdag ka doon ng malaki-laki. Number 4, start an insurance policy. Kung wala ka pang policy, now is a good time to start kasi yung matatanggap mo, extra lang talaga siya. So, every year, kung makakatanggap ka paulit-ulit, pwedeng yun yung pambayad mo ng policy mo hanggang matapos mo siya. Yun, so start an insurance policy kung wala pa. And lastly, number 5, invest. I-invest mo yung 13th month mo kung ano man yung matira doon. Kasi the only way that we can accumulate money for our future is through investing. So, regaluhan mo yung future self mo by investing today. And number 6, as a bonus, ayan, kung may matitira pa dun sa matatanggap mong blessings, use it as you go out with your family and with your friends, buy yourself a gift, go somewhere relaxing, rewind, recharge, enjoyin mo yung blessing na binigay sa'yo ni Lord. Yun lang. I hope may natutunan kayo, and if you need help with any of this, mag-comment lang kayo or i-message nyo ko. I will help you organize yung spending ninyo and put your money into good news. Good news. Put your money into good use. Ayan, sorry. Ating gabi na kasi. That's all, folks. Kung may nakuha kayong value dito sa video na to, please like and subscribe. Bye!